I'm going to be showing you how to make a slime with 3 ingredients, actually 4 ingredients, but the last one, it's optional. It's glitter, so it's optional. So for this slime, you are going to be needing glue, baking soda, and contact solution. My last ingredient is glitter, but it's optional. You guys don't need it. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to be adding is Elmer's glue. That's the best glue that works for the slime. And we're going to add it in our bowl. We're going to add just a little bit. Maybe we can add a little bit more because it's a little bit more. And if you guys want to add paint, you can just add paint or whatever color you have for your slime. I'm going to let it be some color because it's pretty. And the next thing that I'm going to be adding is the baking soda. We're going to add just a little bit for now. We're going to add a little bit like that. And then we can add the contact solution. Guys, remember to add little by little. Don't just add a ton of it at once because you can overactivate your slime by accident. You know, it could be an accident. So it's coming all together. You will see it will start clumping up and it will look like this, like little balls on it. But no, it's nothing wrong with the slime or your activator or anything. It's just it's when it goes like that, it means that it's starting to activate. So if it's still sticky and you are mixing until everything is dissolved, just add a little bit more of contact solution. And if the contact solution doesn't do its job, you just add a little bit more baking soda. And yeah, I think that's it for the baking soda. So, I'm gonna keep mixing. It's still sticky, see? So you're just gonna do that. And we're going to add a little bit more of contact solution. So obviously you will need a mixing tool. I forgot to say that in the first time. But you will need a mixing tool. It will help you a lot instead of using your hands. Because if you use your hands, it will stick to like this. And even worse because you're touching glue. Gonna add a little bit more of baking soda. So, how do you know when your slime is ready is when it's starting to get out of the like the bowl. So then when it's like starting to not stick to the bowl, like getting out of the bowl, that means it's ready. So that means it's almost ready. So you're just taking it with your hands. Start taking it every single thing. Then you mix it with your hands like this. Don't be afraid to touch the slime. If it sticks to your hands, just go wash them and it'll wash right out. So, if it needs more, you just add a little drop. Here is the completed slime. You guys, look at this beautiful slime. And now, for the end, I like to add this at the end. It's the glitter. This is not that big, so I just need to twist it like that. But it got stuck. I don't know why. Maybe glitter got in the little thing. But like, if you do like that, see all the glitter that comes out? It looks like a beautiful sky. I love this. I love the sound of it. It's so satisfying. So, yeah, now I'm going to mix it. So this is the end result of this slime, and thank you guys for watching. And if you really like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure when you subscribe, click the notification bell, and so you can get all the videos that I post. So thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.